Hello students, in this video we will talk about chapter number 5 of class 7th maths, that is lines and angles. In the previous classes you have studied about various types of angles like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. But here in this video we will talk about the angles which comes in pair of angles. There are following types of angles which we will discuss in this video: adjacent angle, vertically opposite angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and linear pair of angles. So aim and objective of this video is to make you aware about various pair of angles, the relationship between various angles, to make you understand how to identify the type of angles and to apply the knowledge in real life. So let's start with adjacent angle. As the name suggests, adjacent means next. So here adjacent means the very next angle. So two angles that have a common vertex and a common ray are called adjacent angles. Like here you can see in this figure there are basically three angles formed, but we will take two angles. First is angle ABD and second is angle DBC. Now, when I will say angle ABD and DBC, so these both angles have a common vertex, that is B, and they have a common ray, that is BD, and this common ray is between other two rays. Other two rays are AB and BC. The common ray is in between the other two rays. So these type of angles in which they have a common vertex and they have a common ray, and the common ray is in between the other two angles, other two arms, are called adjacent angles. Vertically opposite angles. These angles form a cross. Look here, AD and BC when intersect each other. AD and BC when intersect each other at point P. So there are altogether four angles formed, but out of these two, the opposite angles so formed are called vertically opposite angle. The angle green, both the green angles which you can see in this figure are vertically opposite, and both orange are vertically opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angles are equal also. Okay. So these orange shade angles, I'll name them angle APB and CPD are vertically opposite, and angle APC and BPD are also vertically opposite angles, and we write their names in pair. They are not written as single name. Complementary angles. The two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Let's see here in the figure, like angle ABC is of 60 degree and angle DEF is of 30 degree. So angle ABC, angle and angle DEF together form a complementary angles because ABC plus DEF is 90 degree. So those angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. In the same way of complementary angles, there are supplementary angles. Here The sum of two angles is 180 degree, so they are called supplementary angles. Have a look on this figure. Angle PQR 100 degree and angle ABC 80 degree. Let's add these two. 100 plus 80 is 180. Now, those two angles whose sum is 180 are called supplementary angles. So here we can say angle PQR and angle ABC are supplementary angles. Next is linear pair angle. The two adjacent supplementary angles are called linear pair. Look, they are adjacent also because they have common vertex P and common arm AP. So angle CPA and angle APD are adjacent angles with common arm AP. Now look at their sum also. Angle APD is 120 degree and angle APC is 60 degree. So their sum is also 180. So these two angles, angle APC and angle APD, are basically adjacent also and they are supplementary also. So they are called linear pair of angles. So here is an assignment for all of you. Complete the assignment and I hope you have understood well about the pair of angles. Thank you.